Hello friends, here are 6 most popular career options for finance. Starting with the first one, which is becoming Chartered Accountant. This course is offered by ICAI, that is Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Here's eligibility, course duration and the average salary that you can get. Second one is becoming Company Secretary. This course is offered by ICSI, which is Institute of Company Secretary of India, and here is the eligibility, the course duration as well as the average salary you can get. The third one is becoming Chartered Financial Analyst. This course is offered by USA body CFA. You can check the eligibility, which needs experience, the course duration and average salary. The fourth most popular is becoming Financial Risk Manager. This course is offered by US body GARP. You need to be graduate with 2 years experience. The fifth most popular course is becoming Certified Financial Planner. This is offered by Financial Planning Standard Boards of India. You need to be intermediate. Here's the duration and the average salary. The sixth one is doing your MBA Finance and becoming Finance Manager. This is offered by most of the business and management colleges. You need to be graduate and here's the average salary you can get. Thank you. Bye.